Dearly beloved, welcome to the sacred night of the lunar eclipse. I, Shweta Agarwal, feel blessed to guide you on this inner journey of shadow healing and soul freedom. An eclipse is a mirror. It reveals the hidden. It shows us what the light alone cannot. It brings to the surface our shadows, not to frighten us, but to free us. Tonight, we enter that sacred doorway to embrace what we have hidden, to release what no longer serves, and to step into freedom. If this meditation resonates, remember to subscribe, like, and share so others may also heal through the eclipse's sacred energy. Now find a comfortable place to sit in. Keep your spine erect, your shoulders relaxed, and your heart open. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, close your eyes and fall into the rhythm of deep belly breathing. With every breath, let yourself sink deeper into this moment. See the night sky above you, vast and infinite. The full moon is luminous and radiant. But slowly, the earth's shadow begins to move across the moon's face. The lunar eclipse begins. Light and shadow dance together. The moon does not resist the shadow. She receives it. She integrates it. She becomes whole with it. See within yourself an inner moon glowing in your heart. As the eclipse unfolds in the sky, it also unfolds within you. The shadows you have hidden begin to reveal themselves, not to harm you, but to be embraced. Allow yourself to see what arises. What parts of you have you pushed away? What emotions have you denied? What memories does your mind keep repeating on a loop? What patterns keep repeating in your life? What fears do you avoid facing? Now let's go deeper. What vows or promises from other times may still bind you? Is it a vow of silence? A vow of poverty? A vow of obedience? A vow of suffering? A promise to never love again? A contract to carry someone else's pain? Whatever shows up, bring them into your awareness. See them as threads wrapped around your soul, holding you tightly. One by one, hold them up to the moon within your heart and whisper, "This has served its time and purpose. I release it now with love and gratitude." As you speak, see the threads dissolve into light. Feel yourself loosening, freeing, and softening. As the eclipse begins to pass, the moon within your heart glows brighter. It is no longer covered, it is whole. But now it shines with a deeper truth, light that has embraced its shadow. Your shadow is no longer an enemy. It is your teacher. It is your power. It is a part of you that once loved becomes light itself. Feel the integration within you happening in this moment of time. The anger you once rejected becomes courage. The grief within becomes compassion. The fear becomes wisdom. And silence becomes strength. You become whole, free, and luminous. See the moon now shining fully again, radiant in the night sky. Your inner moon mirrors it, whole, free, and at peace. Feel a blessing descending into your crown, flowing down into every cell. You are no longer bound by old vows, oaths, or shadows. You are free to walk in light, carrying the wisdom of your integration today. Breathe this truth in and carry it with you always. A lunar eclipse is not darkness. It is transformation. It is the dance of shadow and light. When you embrace your shadow, you do not lose yourself. You find your wholeness. When you release vows of the past, you step into the freedom of your soul. May this eclipse remind you, you are not broken, you are not bound. You are whole, complete, and luminous always. Feeling whole and complete, choose to come back into your bodies. Ground yourselves by repeating 3 times, I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. Whenever you feel ready, rub your hands together till they're warm and nice. Put them on your eyes and open your eyes to a whole new world. Till we meet again, stay safe and blessed be.